So I just went through everybody's work in the design process over the last couple of weeks, and I wanted to give you a little feedback. F every single one of you. I don't know what the f is going on lately, but basically you guys have been putting out nothing but shit. It's as if you took a dump, smashed it around in your hands, and then wiped it on a fucking t-shirt.
Maybe you should design a shirt.
What did you just say? What did you just say? Maybe I should design it.
Manchester. 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 Manchester.
It seems the employees have called the Manchester. Oh, now Nick must follow through on his words or be swiftly kicked in the genitalia. I love a good story.
Silence! Manchester accepted. What are your terms?
It can't be all text.
At least 50% of it has to be hand-drawn.
You have 1 week to accomplish this task.
And it must exemplify the application of the Deleuzian rhizomatic theory in the postmodernist impressionist technique.
And you have to come over for Taco Tuesday. Michelle always invites you to come over for Taco Tuesday and you never come over, and she makes the best of tacos. And it could just be me and you and Michelle sitting around eating tacos and watching reruns of Designing Women.
And this can't be half-assed. You need to put in your full effort, and to prove it, we're going to launch it as Nick's mystery shirt. We're going to sell it online, sight unseen, meaning the customer won't even know what it looks like until they open their package.
Fine. Rules accepted. But don't think I won't remember this in the future. Now get the f*** out of my conference room.
Good luck.
It appears the terms of the Manchester have been accepted. Now, as Nick has 1 week, so do they. Available now. For 1 week only, the Nick Mystery Shirt is on RangerUp.com. To all watching, Manchester, you won't buy it.